we are studying topic reproductive health. And as we know that many of the diseases can be transmitted from one person to another person in many of the ways, and one of the way is sexual act with the infected person. Many of the diseases may be caused or may spread due to the sexual transmission, and the reason may be bacterial infection or that may be viral infection. Some of the sexually transmitted diseases which are caused by bacteria are gonorrhea and syphilis, and the diseases which are caused by virus are genital warts and HIV/AIDS. And now, as these diseases are transmitted through sexual contact, so there are many ways to avoid from these diseases, and one of the way is to use the contraceptives. So if and there are many of the chances of pregnancy also because of the sexual act, and this pregnancy that may have some adverse effect on the body and the mind of the woman if she is not ready, if she is not physically or mentally mature. So therefore it is advised to avoid pregnancy in such situations, and for that what is advised? The use of contraceptives. Now, what are these contraceptives? These contraceptives are the aids or the procedures which avoid fertilization of the egg. And one of the contraceptive is it is in the category of mechanical barrier. So what will happen when this mechanical barrier or the contraceptive is used? What will happen? These sperms, they will not reach to the egg, so there will be no fertilization. And one of the example of this mechanical barrier contraceptive is use of condoms. Then another type of contraceptive is that they have some chemical composition, and what these chemical composition will do, they will make an imbalance or they will change the hormonal balance of the body, and because of that what will happen? The female body will not release the egg, and if egg will not be released, then there will be no fertilization. So these chemically based contraceptives जो कि hormonal balance को change कर देते हैं, they may be taken in the form of pills. Orally they are taken, and these hormonal balances जो pills हैं, they can cause some side effects too. Now the other kind of contraceptive is use of loops or copper tea. What is copper tea? It is a tea made of copper, and it is placed in the uterus of the female reproductive system. And what it will do, because it is a contraceptive, it will avoid pregnancy. Now it can also cause some of the side effects like irritation of the uterus, etc. Now, there are some surgical methods which are used as contraceptives. For example, vasectomy. Vasectomy, it is done in the male body. Vas deferens, it is the part of male reproductive system. So, what is done? This vas deferens is blocked. So, because of that, what will happen? Sperm transfer will not take place, and this is called as vasectomy. You can very easily learn it, because vas deferens part of male reproductive system, and cutting of tying of that vas deferens, it is known as vasectomy. Now the other surgical method, that is tubectomy. Tubectomy, it is done in the body of a female, and when this tube means a fallopian tube, it is blocked, the egg will not be able to reach to the uterus. In both the cases there will be no fertilization, and this in this way these surgical methods, they create blocks, and these surgical methods are safe in long run also. Surgery itself can cause infections and other problems if not performed properly, means they also may have some side effects. What are the side effects? That there may be some infections because of the surgery if it is not performed by some expert persons. And surgery, if we talk about the benefits of these surgical methods, then they are helpful to avoid unwanted pregnancies, and they are helpful to prevent pregnancy for the long run also. But these may be misused by people who do not want a particular child. So there are some health issues also, that what the people do, they detect the sex of the child in the mother's womb, यानी female fetus का जो है sex determine करके कि whether it is a female, what the people do, they kill that female in the mother body, जिसे हम female feticide कहते हैं. And what is necessary if we want a healthy society? What should be there? That the male and female sex ratio must be maintained. If there is imbalance in the ratio of male and female, then many of the problems, many of the social issues can occur in the society. और गवर्नमेंट के इतने सारे एफर्ट्स के बाद में कि जो है फीमेल फेटिसाइड नहीं करना, बैन है, इम्प्रिजनमेंट है, then also many of the females are killed in their mother womb, and because of that चाइल्ड सेक्स रेशियो यानी कि जो फीमेल सेक्स रेशियो है वो क्या हो रहा है, दैट इज़ डिक्लाइनिंग एट एन अलार्मिंग रेट, बहुत वेरी फास्ट रेट पर. और हमारी सोसाइटी के अंदर जो है बहुत सारे लॉज बनाए गए हैं जिसमें प्री नेटल सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन यानी बिफोर द बर्थ ऑफ द बेबी सेक्स डिटरमाइन करना जो है इट हैज़ बीन प्रोहिबिटेड बाय लॉ. गवर्नमेंट ने उसके ऊपर कंप्लीटली बैन कर दिया है. अब as we know that reproduction, it is the process by which an organism reproduces, means it produces young ones of its own kind, and because of that what will happen, there will be increase in the population. Now if we talk about the rate of birth and death, what is death rate and birth rate? Number of organisms which took birth, that is or which are taking birth at a particular given time, that is called as birth rate, and the number of organisms which are dying at a particular time, that is known as death rate. किसी भी जगह की पॉपुलेशन को कौन सी दो चीज़ें डिटरमाइन करती हैं कि व्हाट इज़ द बर्थ रेट एंड व्हाट इज़ द डेथ रेट. ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन जो है इट्स साइज इज इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे एंड इट इज़ अ मेजर कंसर्न, कॉज ऑफ कंसर्न फॉर द ह्यूमन सोसाइटी, because if this population expansion takes place, this population explosion goes on, then what will happen? There will be problem in the society. What kind of problem will the society face? There will be problems of accommodation, there will be problems for survival. So to increase or to maintain the standard in the society, what is necessary? That the population should be controlled. Now as we see in our society that some of the poor standards of people, because what is the reason? Because the population size is increasing. If there is decline in population rate, then what can happen? To many extent what we can do, we can have a check on the population. So this is all about today's class. Thanks and have a nice day.